Speaking of snow, something we're probably not going to have anytime soon, huh, Marcelo?
Unfortunately, I would say no, Rudy. I know you want to see
Yeah,
it
I
so
do,
bad,
just
but
so
it's not going
bad.
to happen here. But what is going to happen though is that we're going to see those temperatures, the low temperatures tonight dropping to only those low 70s. Again, we're going to have more milder conditions in the overnight hours. Temperatures for West Laco in the 71 degrees as well as for Harlingen, and 71 for La Jolla and Rio Grande City with mostly clear skies again for the entire Rio Grande City. So again, we're not going to be that cold, but we're not going to be that warm in the evening hours as well as the overnight hours into Wednesday morning, I should say. So it's going to be perfectly cool out there in the morning hours. Now let's take a look at the wind forecast for the next 48 hours. Winds will continue out of the southeast over the next 2 to 3 days, ranging between 12 to 13, 14, 15 miles an hour. And along with those winds coming out of the southeast, we're still going to see another 2 days with warm temperatures across the valley. These winds out of the southeast maintain those temperatures more on the warmer side, even though they will be dropping by the end of the week as we will get a cold front getting closer to the valley. And speaking about temperatures, the highs for tomorrow, the average should be again about 79 and 80 degrees, but we're going to see mostly 90s, especially around the areas of the western portions of the valley, the upper valley, 95 again for the cities of La Jolla and Rio Grande City as well. Why are we having these dry conditions? Well, it's because we have a lot of drier air, as you can see there on the water vapor satellite. We have a lot of dry air across the entire state of Texas, especially in the southern portions that includes the valley, of course, but that is about to change slightly starting on Thursday, and it's because we're going to have the proximity of a cold front moving south from the north with a low pressure system that is going to bring an increase in clouds and some rain showers that are going to make their way present here in the valley, just stray showers mostly. And in terms of rain totals over the next 5 days, starting on Wednesday through Sunday, not much, barely traces of rain for portions of the upper valley, the mid valley as well. And the areas with the higher chances to see some rain are going to be areas along the shoreline. But again, not even an inch of rain over a 5 day period. So again, it's not going to be a whole lot. Don't get too excited when it comes to rain, just minimal chances of rain. And speaking of which, you often hear me talk about chances of rain, precipitation, and even some thunderstorms. So let's talk about what that actually means. What is this? What does this mean? When we talk about chances of rain, we are talking about probability. This includes measurable rain in a forecast area, in a specific region of a forecast area, in this case, our Rio Grande Valley. It also includes analyzing if the atmospheric conditions are going to be favorable for some weather producing rain across an area. And that 30% chance of rain that I'm talking here right now, it refers to the confidence of that forecast. And basically, long story short, that is the science behind rain chances. And also this means that when we talk about rain chances, not everybody is going to see those. And that doesn't mean that we're going to see a lot of precipitation or major downpours. It refers to a specific area, and sometimes it can be just a few stray showers in some portions of, in this case, again, the valley. And again, taking a look at that 7 day forecast, we are going to see those rain chances increasing between Thursday and Sunday up to a 30% on Saturday. But again, most of that rain, it is expected to fall along the shoreline, along the coast, especially for areas on the island. And temperatures will be dropping to those 87 degrees by Saturday and Sunday by 86. And those lows in the evening hours are going to remain in those 68 and 70 degrees. So again, not extremely warm, but not cool enough to say it's actually a cold front here in the valley.
Yeah, technological or technical term, right? Cold
Yes.
front this time around. All right. Well, thank you so much, Marcelo. We appreciate that little bit of knowledge taking us to school there on that one. All right. What do we got coming up next, Alejandra?
When we return, we're joined by